Hello everyone, welcome to Moss Massive Movement, my YouTube channel to where I'm going to be discussing the top 20 niches for 2025 that you can get into here on YouTube and start making some money. Number one is going to be AI and tech trends. With that, you can be able to do tutorials on AI tools such as ChatGPT and Mid-Journals. Then you can also do future tech predictions and reviews, and you can also do animation and productivity hacks. Number two, for a niche that you can do in 2025 is personal finance and investments. You can start talking about stock market tips. You can pull up a chart as I do and mark up a chart to see what entries you want to take. I also trade Forex as well and gold. Then you can also discuss crypto. You can also discuss Web3 guides, and also you can also discuss side hustles and ideas for passive income. Number three is going to be fitness and wellness. You can show workout routines from your home. You can also show mental health tips, and you can show biohack and longevity tips as well. You can also go to the gym and record yourself, as I see a lot of people doing at LA Fitness. Number four is gaming. I see that's kind of big on YouTube and definitely on TikTok, but definitely on YouTube. You can just do a faceless YouTube page of yourself playing games all day. And believe it or not, a lot of people will sit there and watch. You can go live and record yourself playing the game or the game itself. Number five is one of my favorites that I definitely enjoy to do, and that's traveling. You can show budgeting, travel hacks, virtual tours, and unique destinations. I just got back from Senator Domingo. I did make one or two videos. I wish I would have made more, but oh well. And you can show a lifestyle of traveling. People make a lot of great income from doing so. And here's my second favorite is food. I love to eat. Food and recipes. Actually, I do have another channel to where the channel is about recipes, and it's doing okay. So you can discuss viral food challenges. You can show recipes and diets and niches such as vegan and keto and etc. And then you can also do restaurant reviews. It's a million restaurants out there that you can travel to. I see even people traveling to different cities and states discussing food. So you can never go wrong with food, because why? People love to eat, such as myself. The next one is beauty and fashion. That's a big one. You can discuss fashion tips, skincare routines, and hairstyle tutorials. And then when they come out with new products such as blow dryers, you can discuss that and other new technologies for the hair care. So number 8 on the list is going to be DIY and home improvement. That's a good one if you're good with your hands. Easy home projects, smart home technology integration, and small space living hacks. Number 9 is education and tutorials. You can show coding and software development, study hacks for productivity tips, and language learning. Number 10 is going to be entertainment and commentary. So when your favorite movies comes out, you can go to the movie and then you can discuss it if you liked it or disliked it. You can talk about the acting. You can talk about the cinematography. Then you can debate it with other individuals on YouTube. You can react to videos, to viral content, and you can do pop culture analysis on entertainment. Number 11 is going to be health and nutrition. I try my best to eat healthy since I do go to the gym and I do have heart murmurs. Um, so you can start a page discussing gut health tips. You can discuss nutrition myths and nutrition myths and busted. And then you can also talk about weight loss advice as well. But you know what? I never seen no one talk about gaining weight as far as gaining muscle. So that's a whole different niche that you can discuss because there's a lot of people out here that's skinny and they would love to gain weight and gain muscle to be much bigger than what they are, believe it or not. Number 12 is parenting. You ever see those bad kids in Walmart? They need some parenting skills. So you can help with the millennials and Gen Z parenting advice, creative kids advice, and family vlogs and tips. Number 13 is comedy and memes. Skit based on trending topics. You can now make a video about falling down. Next thing you know, you got a million people liking it. That's just how it goes now. And just related humor. Or you could take somebody else's video and discuss it and laugh about it and chop it up and make 2 or 3 videos out of that one video. Number 14 is productivity life hacks. Daily habits for success, time management tools and reviews, and productivity app tips. So that's definitely an interesting one because people definitely need help with what's going on in their current lives and situations. This is a good one. I like this one. Spirituality and personal growth. We all need to have a higher being that we look up to help get us through the day, and help get us through this life because it's something else, to say the least. So you can do meditation techniques, law of attraction and manifestation, and modern spiritual concepts. Interesting. Number 16 is sustainable living. Zero waste lifestyle tips. I hate wasting anything. I want to get my money's worth for everything that I spend it on, that's for sure. Urban gardening and renewable energy DIYs. Now here's a good one. Pet care and pet videos. When I tell you people are making a killing with pet videos, I see dogs, cats, rats, gerbils, and anything else in between. They are killing it. Just show your dog fighting back with you. Show your dog going outside to the restroom, running around in the yard, especially when it snows. Pets love that. So you can also show training tips for your cats and your dogs, funny pet videos, and exotic pet care. Number 18 is car enthusiasts. I love old cars for some reason. I have a old Cadillac. It is a 1972 sedan Cadillac. I'm getting some work into it, so maybe I'll be able to show it on here one day. But you can talk about electric vehicles, the EV cars, EV reviews. You can talk about modification and customization to cars, such as tinted windows, when you zoop it up and make it better. And then you can also talk about car maintenance tips. The next one is going to be science and exploration. So you can talk about mind-blowing experiments, space exploitation updates, and dive deep into natural phenomenons. That's interesting. And last but not least, we finally made it to number 20. Number 20 is going to be drop shipping and e-com. I can say I've done a little bit of Amazon and I was successful. I've also done eBay and I was successful with eBay. I'm thinking about starting another eBay store. And currently right now I'm doing a Shopify store. My Shopify store is not doing the best. I need to put a little bit more work and time into it. But what you can discuss with dropshipping and e-com is Shopify success or not being successful in Shopify. Niche product ideals There's a bunch of products that you can always discuss. There are millions of products that you could discuss. Discuss your product, have your store link in the corner, or state your store link, and boom, you're gonna make some sales. And you can do the day in the life of a digital entrepreneur. You can discuss your interactions of what you're doing per day to make it happen for yourself. So if you like this type of content, definitely like and subscribe, and I will be providing you with more. Thank you so much for listening.